Hey, so I wanted to withdraw my insurance claim. What's going on, everybody? So today, excitingly enough, I finally get to bring my G37 home from the dealership it was stored at. But I gotta go to work, so I'm gonna give the camera and everything to Kale, and he's gonna go pick up the trailer and hopefully film some decent B-roll. But I'm pretty excited. We finally get the car back to one of my house and get to work on it from there and start sorting things out instead of it being left in the dark for now. So hopefully it records decently, and see you guys when we get there. Okay, so Kale finally picked me up. He met me at where I was storing the G, but we got it all strapped in, all loaded up, ready to go to my dad's house now. This took like 45 minutes of strapping in because we don't have real tow hooks, so we just used like these little dinky ones that we could find around. But I'll film more of the drive home because it is very, very sad to see the car in this position. But this is about it. Hopefully the drive goes well. We have it strapped to like 12 different ratchet straps and we should be good to go. So let's roll out. You're gonna start cranking. Good. You might have to pull out and straighten out a little bit after in a second. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. Straighten out. Trailer's in. It's just time for a straighten truck. I can probably just drive it back from there. Yeah, just get your door past the bush and we're good. Huh? You're gonna pull it in? Yeah, you're good there. That's awesome. Good job, brother. Very impressed. We did it. So we finally got to my dad's house, dropped the car off, and this is where it's gonna sit for a little while until the parts come in and we can get it all sorted out. I'm gonna start tearing it apart, make sure I know everything that it needs, but for now I just took the battery out, just so it didn't die. And I'm gonna, again, probably this Friday, so two days after when you guys see it, I'm gonna start tearing it apart just to make sure I know what I need, what parts and all that jazz. Then I gotta sort out with what body shop's gonna start. I guess I haven't even walked you around the car yet, but what body shop's gonna take away this little bend. I don't know if you can see right beside the washer fluid, there's a little buckle there. The rad is completely bent. Don't know how well it shows up on camera, but, and then just all the plastic pieces and the plastic trim needs to be replaced if need be. I don't think I'm going to, because a lot of it is for just like the stock air boxes, but I have the cold air cone intakes, so gotta do that. And then I gotta replace a little wiring connector here that got frayed, and I gotta replace it on the other side. So I do have quite a bit of a project for this car. At least it's some videos for the channel, because I know I've been lacking. Sorry for missing last week's upload. I didn't know what to do. I was trying to get this back. Good thing Kale came clutch. Please go drop him a follow. I'll leave his link in the description below for his car. He's starting to try and get no social media. He has been for a little while now, so drop him a follow on that. But yeah. So until you guys see this next car, I'll pretty much explain real quick that I withdrew my claim from insurance because, for a couple reasons. First of all, the salvage price I didn't fully agree with. I don't think I can disclose what it was, but after getting my salvage price, I didn't fully agree with it, so I tried to find other ways around it. No one would appraise my car for higher, so I decided that withdrawing my claim would, first of all, consider my car not a salvage car because the branding wouldn't go through the MTO. So that's one thing already. Salvage cars have a lot harder of a time to get insured, and I didn't really want to go through that hassle, so I just withdrew my claim, and my car's branding is clean. My insurance premium will go up a little bit less because it's an at-fault accident, because I hit him in the rear end. My insurance is going to go up no matter what. At least this way it saves up from going as much as it would. And the last thing is that I'm going to get it fixed for cheaper. The body shop quoted me about $12,400, and I'm going to be fixing it for hopefully around $3 grand. I priced most of it out and it came out around there, so hopefully everything goes well. Everything's pretty much in hopes right now. I still need to price everything out. I need to order it all, so this is going to take a little while to fix. This is going to be a summer project, and I don't know what I'm doing fully, so I'm going to be learning on the fly. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm hoping you guys are all excited for the future project that's going to be this car. I'm going to be getting some aftermarket stuff that I was going to replace in the future anyway. Headlights, bumper, hood, all that jazz. So hope you guys are looking forward to the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, as it does help me in the channel out a lot. If you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe, as again, it does help me in the channel a lot. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.